Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the key code for Toyota. It's pretty simple. The only thing that we need is this. The only thing that you need is this flathead screwdriver around this size. And what you need to do, you need to go to the driver's side door. You're going to go to the driver's side door. You're going to open the door. First of all, before opening the door, have a look. We have the handle and we have the cylinder. It's two separate pieces. We have the handle, space, and the cylinder. The code is on the cylinder. So I'm going to show you now how to get the key code from the cylinder, how to get the cylinder out. Open the door. All right. Now, look at this rubber. We need to take it out. So have the flathead and remove this small rubber. It's very easy. There you go. It's just a small clip that catches it. Okay. Behind it, we can see a star screw. This is the same height of the handle. So what we need to do, we need to take the flathead screwdriver and we need to unscrew it. Now, when you unscrew it, you don't need to be careful so much for the screw to fall inside the panel, because there are two plastics that catch the screw from falling inside. However, don't be over aggressive. Just unscrew it as much as you need and that's it. Okay, because in some cases it can fall inside and then you put yourself in much harder work. You're gonna have to take it out somehow. So basically we're just gonna unscrew the screw, just enough. Okay, until you feel that you unscrew it enough and the cylinder is, the door cylinder is a little bit loose, and then you try to pull the door cylinder out. Slowly but surely it will come outside. Okay, as you can see, it just come outside. However, if it doesn't come outside for you immediately, what you can do, you can try to take it out and at the same time unscrew the screw and at the same time take the cylinder out. Okay? Once you take the cylinder out, if you're gonna look on the cylinder, if you're gonna look here, you can see two codes. Okay, one that starts, let me show you. Let's have a look. We have two codes, 1 second. Two codes. One we start with G and then number and then a letter, and one that have just number. We need the one that have just numbers. So in this case is 52671. For this car this is the key code, and this is the key code that you want to search for. So again, here is the cylinder. Okay, and this is what we want. This is the code that we need. Okay, now in some cases it's going to be dirty, so just put some WD-40 and clean it up so you're going to be able to see, but this is the code that we need. Hi, I'm Moshe. I'm sorry to interrupt your video. I know it's a pain in the ass, but look, I want to tell you something important. I can tell that you're really interested in learning about how to program car keys and remotes. Well, that's what we do in Locksmith Videos Online. So this YouTube channel is just a small fraction of what we actually do. You should really visit our website at locksmithvideosonline.com. There, you could find hundreds of videos and tutorials that will show you step by step how to program all kinds of car keys and remotes. From transponder keys to remote head keys to smart keys for vehicles that have a push to start system, and much more when it comes to the locksmith field in general and the automotive field. So if you click on the link below this video or go to locksmithvideosonline.com, you can have access to all of the knowledge that I acquired throughout my 15 years locksmith career, and you can become as professional as I am on your first day and on your first try. Yes, I just said it. You can become as professional as I am on your first day and on your first try. I don't think you can afford to be without it. Okay, once we're done, only thing that left for us to do is just to put it back. So just put it back like that, all the way in. And then once it's in, catch it with the screw. Just screw the screw inside. The screw is what catch the cylinder in place. So you screw the screw. That's it. And the last thing to do is just to take the rubber and put it on top of it. And once you have the code, of course, you can cut the key based on the code. And the one thing that I want to mention is that most of the vehicle, the code will be on the driver's side lock. However, in some vehicles, it's going to be on the passenger side lock. Okay, basically most of the vehicle have just one cylinder, which is on the driver's side door, most of the Toyota. Some Toyota have both on the driver's side door and on the passenger side door cylinder. So if you come to a car that have both cylinder, you have on the driver's side and on the passenger side, the key code will be on the passenger side. Most of the vehicle will have just one cylinder on the driver's side door, and the code going to be on the driver's side door. So basically that's it. This is how you get the key code for Toyota vehicles. Basically that's it for this video. You want to know how to program car keys and remotes for all type of vehicles and easily? Well, if you do, then I have the perfect solution for you. Hi, my name is Moshe and I'm the owner of a locksmith company for over 10 years. I'm an expert when it comes to program car keys and remotes. I created a website full of videos and tutorials that will guide you step by step how to program all kind of car keys and remotes. By using this website, you will be able to program all kind of car keys from your first day and from your first try. From transponder keys to remote head keys to smart keys for vehicles that have a push to start system. All you will have to do is just go to the search bar and type the make, year and model of the car that you would like to program the key for. Then choose the correct video from the suggested videos and follow the video step by step. It's that easy. And if you would like to order the exact same key that is being explained in the video, no problem. Just press on the link at the bottom of the description and you can order the exact same key that is being explained in the video. It's that easy. Go to www.locksmithvideosonline.com and see it for yourself.